Hello, everyone, and welcome to this long English listening practice. This video is for beginner English learners who want to listen, relax, and learn English step by step. Take your time. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and enjoy. Are you ready? Let's begin. My daily life. From morning to night. Every day starts the same way for me. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel fresh. I sit up, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly and wash my face with cool water. It helps me wake up. After that, I comb my hair and get dressed. Now it's time for breakfast. Some days I eat toast and eggs. On other days, I eat fruit like bananas, apples, or oranges. I always drink a cup of coffee in the morning. The warm coffee helps me feel awake and ready for the day. After breakfast, I start my work. I work at home on my computer. I answer emails, write messages, and plan my day. Sometimes work is easy. Sometimes it is busy. But I try to stay calm and do one thing at a time. Around 10 o'clock, I take a short break. I walk around my home or go outside for fresh air. A 5-minute walk helps my mind relax. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. I like simple food: rice, vegetables, chicken, or pasta. I eat slowly and try to enjoy my meal. In the afternoon, I learn and study. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I watch an English or educational video. I try to learn something new every day. If I feel tired, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my legs, and drink some water. Then I feel better again. Around 5 o'clock in the evening, I finish my work. Now it is time to relax a little. Evening routine. In the evening, I cook dinner. I enjoy making simple meals. Sometimes I cook soup. Sometimes I make sandwiches. Sometimes I eat leftovers from the day before. After dinner, I clean the kitchen a little. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. A clean place makes me feel calm. Then I relax. Sometimes I watch a video. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just sit quietly and rest. At around 9:30, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again and wash my face. Then I lie down in my bed, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. At 10 o'clock, I usually go to sleep. This is my full day, from morning to night. How I learn English. Every day now, let me tell you how I learn English every day. You don't need many hours to improve, just small steps every day. In the morning. While I drink my coffee, I listen to English. It can be a short podcast, a simple video, or slow English audio. I don't try to understand everything. I just listen and let the language enter my ears. In the afternoon, I read something short in English. Maybe a small story. Maybe simple news. Just 10 or 15 minutes. At night, I write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, today I walked in the park. The weather was nice. I felt good. Writing helps my memory. I also speak a little English every day. Sometimes I talk to myself. I am cooking dinner now. I am cleaning my room. I am going for a walk. Speaking out loud helps my brain and my mouth work together. Don't be afraid of mistakes. I want to tell you something important. It is okay to make mistakes. Maybe you feel shy when you speak. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you think, my English is bad. But that is not true. Your English is growing every day. Every time you listen, read, write, or speak, you improve. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, one step at a time, one word at a time. I believe in you. You can do this. 3 easy tips to learn. English daily. Here are 3 simple tips. 1, listen every day, just 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry about understanding everything. 2, speak a little, even alone, even simple sentences. 3. Learn 3 new words. Only 3. In 1 month, you will know 90 new words. Small actions become big progress. Motivation. You showed up today. You listened. You practiced. That is amazing. Be proud of yourself. Say this with me. I can do this. I am learning English. I will keep going. Great job today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time.